Welcome to this video demonstration of Mini's ambient lighting. By ambient lighting, I'm talking about the coloured lights around this section here primarily. I say primarily because the lights will actually display in colours up at the top of the car here, and all the way down underneath there you'll see that kind of blue glow. I'm going to show you how you can change that colour, and more importantly how you can change this light bar around there. So there's a few different settings within this car. So if we go into settings on the screen and central display and then go to standard view, you can see there that it says engine speed, driver mode or driving mode, and ambient lighting. So engine speed is the one that we're on at the moment. What that means is that this essentially becomes a rev counter. When I rev the car engine, you'll see this white section will increase around towards the red section. So you can see that happen just there. Also, if I adjust the climate control on the car, so you'll see if I start to turn this, the blue section, which is cold, and the red section, which is hot, it will show you I'm turning from hot back round to cold again. So anything you do as a driver will show up on that screen there. That's how the Mini comes from the factory. What a lot of people don't know is that you can actually change it so that you have a permanent colour display up there. So at the moment, that colour display, as you can see, is blue. That is to match the colour that's up the top just here. So in terms of actually changing the colour, you can only have one fixed colour in the entire car. You can't kind of have, you know, pink up the top and blue down the bottom. Basically, this control button here will take you through the various colours, and you can see them changing there, and there's all sorts of colours you can have it on. If I stop on green, for example, whatever colour you stop on, the colour of that central light bar will be the same colour as you've selected up the top there. You can just keep your finger down on that button and you'll see it will circulate through all of the colours, of which there are plenty. And when it flashes, you could, should you wish to, leave it and you'll see that it's now circulating through the colours by itself. That again is replicated down in this centre console here.